Oh my God.
Eyelets on the frame. Like bottomed out against the frame. It kicked the propane line up.
Wait, say that again.
Alright, there's like eyelets that are screwed onto the sides of the frame rail that hold the propane line like solid so it doesn't vibrate around and stuff while you're riding. When the leaf spring broke and the axle hit the bottom of the frame, it knocked the propane line up and broke one of those eyelets that hold it.
What do we have to make sure that the camper doesn't, like, once we jack the side up, what do we have to make sure that the camper doesn't roll forward? Nothing?
That side being chocked.
Okay. I'm nervous. This is nerve-wracking. By the way, guys, we ordered the same type of leaf springs that were originally on it, just because they're built for the axle and everything. The company is called Dexter, right? Yeah. Dexter Axle. And we're just gonna go for that. We got new ones, so we'll see how it goes. Here they are, freshly painted. Ugh. Alright guys, so let this be a lesson to us all. Learn from my mistakes. Make sure that, you know, on the road at least once a month you get down under your camper and just look at your leaf springs, look at your axle, make sure that things aren't super rusted, because that's something that I never even considered, and luckily this lesson did not come at a terrible cost. But yeah, learn from my mistakes, get under your camper, get under your van, whatever you're traveling in, and check out your leaf springs and all the parts down there, and just make sure that they don't look super rusted or warped, because it could be disastrous.
Because on the other side, I want to sandwich a piece of wood between the top of the axle and the bottom of the frame.
Okay.
So when we jack it up and all the stress is on that leaf spring. Yeah, okay. Okay, we have our jack stands. We have our jack that you can barely see. I'm sorry it's late, you guys. It's just, life has been busy. My mom's getting married. I got my nails done. Got my toes done. Check out my toes, they're done too. And I've been filming 2 other videos today, so here's the 3rd of the day. Ooh, this is laying in glass.
Oh, I'm walking in it. Great. Right, so we decided to hook the car up to it, so that as we jack it and lose, you know, the weight on there, it doesn't just roll forward. So we have the e-brake up in the car, we're hooked up to it, and we're putting the levelers down as we jack it up. So hopefully that adds some stability.
Go for it. They're in there? Boy.
We haven't changed it yet. We still have to get it jacked up.
Okay. Changing it would be the easiest.
Alright, so we are officially jacked up. We have our regular jack stands, this jack stand, jack over there, and jack over there. So, you know, as best as we can be, we are prepared. Still got this hooked up with the emergency brake on, so we're not gonna roll forward. This.
Taking the U-bolts loose.
Alright. Here goes. This is the old one. It's broken here.
Broke right there.
And then...
Totally broken right here.
Okay, broke there. And then comparison, old one, broken off, new one.
It's bent right here too. That was about to break.
Was that what was...
Right now that I have it off, I can...
Oh, that's scary. Alright, mission complete. Sorry I didn't record the whole process. It took a while, but there's the old ones. Everything's good now. We're all hooked up. Gonna take this to not this parking lot so that we don't get in trouble. Ta-da! Mission accomplished. Anything you want to say?
Keep an eye on your leaf springs. Don't let them get all rusty and break. Possibly kill you. So, yeah.
That's it. Yay! Okay, guys. There's your update. There's the fix. Everything is good. We're gonna replace the tires tomorrow. I already bought them. We just need to install them. And yeah, that sums it all up. So, all right, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.